are required. Documents required for society registration. MOA, Memorandum of Association. Rules and regulations of the society, that is called bylaws. Identity proofs, ID proofs, and address proof of the members. Affidavit declaring non-profit motive. Registered office proof, so rent agreement or ownership document. These are all the documents required for registration of society. So up to this we are clear. 7 members are required. Then these documents are required for registration. You may get doubt whether registration is required, whether it is mandatory. See, benefits of registering society, it will have a legal recognition. Tax exemptions as per applicability. Ability to open a bank account and own property. Society can own the property. Eligibility for government grants. Then what is the step-by-step registration process? First, choose a unique name and draft Memorandum of Association and rules and regulations, bylaws of the society. Prepare required documents. Submit application to the Registrar of Societies. This process will vary state to state. Certain states only physical submission to the district registrar. Certain states online and offline submission will be there. That I will explain. And pay the prescribed fee. Then registrar will verify and approve. So the time taking depends on state to state. Some states will take entire procedure in weekdays. Some states will take more than a weekdays, even up to 15 days. It depends state to state. So post-registration compliance. So up to registration, I have explained now what are the other compliances after registration of the society. Obtain a PAN card for the society. Open separate society bank account. Maintain proper records and accounts. File annual return as per applicability of the Income Tax Act, and every year you need to submit the governing body list to the district registrar. So what is the online process? What is the offline process? Step-by-step registration process. Online process available in some states. So you have to visit the official state government portal. Check if online registration is available in that particular state. Example, Delhi, online submission is available. Maharashtra, it is available. Karnataka, available. Telangana, available. Online option is there. Create an account, then log in. Register on the state portal with your email and mobile number. File the online application form. Enter society details, name, objectives, and details of the members. You need to enter. Then after that, upload required documents like MOA, bylaws, ID proofs, and no objection certificate from landowner. That is a registered office address. Pay the required registration fee online. This amount also varies from state to state. Some states is 100, some states is a few thousands. Submit. Once you submit, then you can track the application status. That facility is there in online mode. Once submitted, you will receive an acknowledgement. Their number will be their ID number. Then processing may take 7 to 10 days depending on state to state. Then after that, download the registration certificate. Once it is approved, certificate is available for download. This is what the step-by-step procedure. Now I will take you to online website portal. I'll stop this. Then go to Google. Just a second. Go to Google. There, Stamps and Registration Department. Type stamps and registration. Then, yeah, for example, if it is a Telangana registration, Telangana state to state, respective states, they have their own websites. So I'm clicking Telangana registration stamps department. Hope you are able to see. Then come down, you can see society registration. Here, e-registration of societies. Registration and Stamps Department, Government of Telangana, e-registration of societies. Here, service, type of service, and what are the charges collected, user charges, what are the stages for approval, like district registrar. Then senior assistant in the district registrar. So he will coordinate with us. Then these are the timelines. So society registration in Telangana, 2,000 rupees is the service charge. Other charges are 45 rupees. So 2,045 rupees. So then scrutiny, query, decision, approvals will be with the district registrar. And even you can apply for certified copy of the bylaws, 1,000 rupees plus 35 rupees. Certified copy of the society also you can take 1,000 rupees plus 35 rupees. And filing of amendments. You can amend even members amendment, name amendment, address change. These are all called amendments. So 1,000 rupees is the fee plus 45 rupees user charges. These are the timelines is given. So society registration, now I will take you to the procedure checklist timelines. If you see, procedure is given. Society registration, the user has to submit an online application by providing the required details and upload required documents. Checklist is given. The user then has to make requisite payment through online portal. User means applicant who is applying. Either you can directly apply in online, or you can take help of any e-seva. They will help you. The user then has to send the original documents to the district register office, either through courier or PD, or dropping them at the drop box, or personally you can hand over to district register. So once online submission is done, you have to submit physical documents along with the acknowledgement. That is online acknowledgement. Physical submission also will be there after online submission. What is the procedure at the district register office? See, senior assistant level, the documents, memorandum of society, rules and regulations, ID proofs, address proofs of EC members, executive committee members, and registered lease agreement, declaration if office is in own premises, received at the district registrar, because every time we cannot, no need to meet district registrar, their senior assistant will be there. He will coordinate with us. We can coordinate with him or her. Will be verified. No, senior assistant will verify all the documents. He will check online and offline documents also. Upon successful verification, a recommendation for approval is made to the district registrar. So senior assistant will recommend to the district registrar. In case verification being unsuccessful, then the applicant will be directed to make necessary changes to the application. Suppose if any information is further required, then they will ask for the resubmission, then we need to submit accordingly. So once it goes to the district registrar level, then district registrar, based on the recommendation provided by the senior assistant, district registrar approves the registration. Is it mandatory whether he has to approve? No, he will check. If anything required, again he will ask. With the approval, the district registrar also digitally signs the registration certificate. Once he is satisfied, then he will affix his digital signature. In case verification being unsuccessful, or if we need any further documents, and even at the district registrar level, the applicant will be directed to make necessary changes to the application. Accordingly, applicant has to make submissions. Then after the district registrar will affix the digital signature, then certificate will be generated. Then I told you the checklist. The checklist is given. After submitting an online application of the society, the following documents in original shall be submitted. So once online submission is done, so what are the documents physically submitted? acknowledgement containing the reference number. So once you submit online, we give all the details in online, then acknowledgement will be generated there, reference number will be there. So that copy print you have to take and attach to the original documents. The original documents will be Memorandum of Society, rules and regulations, that is bylaws, ID proofs of all executive committee members, minimum 7 members we have discussed, that is a requirement. All members' ID proofs, address proof of the EC members, passport size photographs of all EC members, registered lease agreement if office is in rented premises, then lease agreement will be there, or declaration if office is in own premises. Let's give the declaration that no rent is collected from the society. Citizens must submit all original papers either by courier or a registered post and or hand over in person in the concerned district register office. Concerned district register office means that jurisdictional district office, because where you know that no the registered office of the society. So that in that area, district register office will come to that jurisdiction. Then even online also you can check the address of district register office can be found by clicking the link. It will be there. If you give the address, then which area it covers, that will be there. Certificate will be issued within 3 days from the date of receipt of the original application and other connected documents. So it depends on state to state. Here, Telangana government, 3 days. If everything is in order. Otherwise, they will ask for any further requirements. This is a timeline is given 3 days. And I will also explain, take you to the e-registration of society online application form. I am telling online application, no, how the application would be. I'll take you to the website. Click here for online application form. This is integrated IGRS MeSeva portal. So now we reach to Government of Telangana MeSeva portal, integrated service delivery gateway, IGRS, registration of society under section 3. You are registering. Here you have to write application name, that applicant name. Applicant name here is whoever is applying. So it may be any member of the society or anyone who is applying the application. It may be a member, it may not be a member of the society who is applying. Generally, either a president or secretary, we will keep president or secretary. So name, surname, and their gender, their Aadhaar details, delivery type, door number, address, state, all the details we are filling, their mobile number, fax number, contact details, then society details, society name, society category. So either it is foundation, educational company, charitable society. So whatever the objects you can, based on the objects, you can click that. Then address of the society. Once you save this, then again it will take you to the members details. Total 7 members and their designations, their occupation, their age, all the details will be taken. Then after the final submission will be there, payment will be there. This is what the online application. Then you can check the status of application also. So once you are submitting, the challan will come with the serial number. Here you can see, click here, status of application form. Then here, application ID, that number will be there in the acknowledgement. If you search, then you will get it. Then download the registration certificate. If you click here, this link will give you the certificate. If you give this acknowledgement number, then certificate will be your registration number, registration year, registration district, society name, you type. Anything you can download certified copies. Then I'll take you to the amendment annual returns, how to file amendment application, how to file your annual returns. Every year, governing body list you have to submit to the district registrar. Similarly, online and offline. So here, you have to click here, then link will come. Same details will ask. This service can be availed by any society who wants to amend bylaws or rules. So required document is uploaded and originals are submitted to district register office concerned. Department after verification can approve or reject the request. So the documents required for amendments, if you are amending any bylaws, then online application form, applicant along with the mandatory resolutions. Resolution has to be passed by the members for amendment. Then after online application, the original resolutions and documents will be submitted to the Registrar of the Societies through courier, RPD, or in person. The approval of the same shall be within 3 working days from the receipt of the original resolutions and documents. Approval authority is the district registrar. Then I will show you the website also. If you click here, then I will show the link. This is what IGRS, I told you, Integrated Service Delivery Gateway, Amendment of Society under Section 8, 9, 10, 21, 24, 26. You can change bylaws, you can change name of the society, you can change the members, you can change the designations. No, these are all under respective sections. So here you have to write society registration number, registration year, district, society name, submit. Then it will ask all the details, then submit the details. This is procedure for amendment application online. How to get certified copy of the bylaws? Then this is the link. Here you give the details, then you can get bylaws. Physically, you have to take approval authority delivered across the counter. You have to go to registrar office and collect physical copy, certified copies of bylaws. And if you click here, then it will take you certified copy bylaws. If you need bylaws certified copy, then you have to give here registration number of society, any society, registration year, and under which district it is there, and name of the society. So once you submit and pay the fee, then you will get certified copies. Then submissions of appeals. If you are aggrieved by district registrar, you can apply to the Registrar General of Societies. You can appeal, make an online appeal and submit physical copy. If once you click, then you have to give all the details. Then third party verification of society. See, you are nowhere related to the society, but you can check. Click here, third party verification of the society. Then you write society registration number and year and district, submit. You will get all the details. You can find all the details in the website. And then I will show you the Memorandum of Association and bylaws, how it would be. Click here for model bylaws, model MOA. This is a document, Memorandum of Association. It contains particulars of the specific objects for which company is established and recovering, whole scope of operate beyond which it is not legal. Look, okay. See, here it is not company. This is there in the website, government website. They are supposed to keep it as a society. So society name, society location of the office, aims and objectives. Here are the declarations certified that association is formed with no profit motive and commercial activities involved in its working. So no profit, no commercial activities. Certified that office bearers are not paid from the funds of the association. Certified that association would not engage in agitation activities to ventilate to grievances. Certified that office bearer signatures are genuine. So this declaration has to be signed by the either president or secretary. Then declaration, we the undersigned persons in the memo have formed into an association and responsible to run the affairs of the association, and our desires of getting the society registered under the Telangana Societies Registration Act 2001. Then again signature of the president or secretary. Here all the office bearers, names, addresses, father name or wife of or daughter of, and their ages, their designation like a president, vice president, general secretary, joint secretary, treasurer, executive member, 7 members designations, their occupation details, their residential address details, their signatures. Similarly, 2 witnesses are required. Witnesses name, son of or wife of or daughter of, age, their residential address, their occupation, their signature. Then signature of the president or secretary. See, content of bylaws of the societies. The bylaws of society shall contain provisions in respect of the identity of the society, which includes the name, address, particulars of the society, activities of the society, membership of the society, that is eligibility, admission, withdrawal and termination, etc. General body which contains the manner of the meetings to be held or convened, and quorum details, functions and responsibilities, etc. Office bearers and their appointment, elections, removal, recall and their responsibilities, etc. Details the finance, which include type of funds to be raised, appointment of auditors, liability of members for discharge of debts, etc. And the other matters which cover the internal matters of the settlement of internal disputes, dissolution of the society. These are all the details to be mentioned in the bylaws of the society. Then rules and regulations. Name of the society, then this is document number 2. Whatever we discussed is the document number 1. That is called MOA, this is called bylaws. Name of the society, location of the society, membership, again all the details, category of the members. We can give the name of the category of the members and admission fee and annual subscription fee, monthly subscription. This is what the decision the members can take. Voluntary decision they can take. How much fee, yes, they can finalize. Signature of the president of society here. Then general body. See, general body will meet once in a year. Then they can give the month, in the month of so month, out of 12 months, any month, their choice. Functions to pass the budget. See, general body functions, what they will take? Resolution in the meeting to pass the budget for the ensuing year, so coming year, and approve the expenditure statement of previous year. That is what they will discuss in the general meeting. To approve the reports of the activities of the society. So those reports will be approved by the general members. Elect the executive committee for next year. Appoint auditors. Then these are all the things which will be discussed and resolutions will be passed accordingly in the general body meeting once in a year. As and when required, members can meet. Executive committee. So executive committee shall consist of 7 members, and out of them, the following office bearers shall be elected by the EC, like president, general secretary, joint secretary, treasurer. Remaining members will be executive committee members. So out of these 7 members, the designations will be given. Then the members of the executive committee, that is also called governing body, shall be duty bound to attest the signatures of all the members of newly elected executive committee. So every year, or as per the society bylaws, when the new body is coming, existing body has to mandatorily sign, attest. Then, so they have to sign of the outgoing body tally with the annual list as filed the Registrar of Societies before 15 days of succeeding month in which elections were held. So once elections are held, then immediately within 15 days, it needs to be submitted to the district registrar. So when next election comes, then when new body, details of the new body has to be attested by the existing body, and then signatures will be tallied by the district registrar. Then this is signature of the president and secretary. So functions of the executive body and office bearers. What are the functions? See, what is the function of the president? What are the functions of vice president and secretary, joint secretary, treasurer, office bearers? What is the quorum and what are the funds, amendments, binding up? All the details has to be given. So president presides over overall the meetings of the both general body and executive committee. He can cast his vote in case of time. He can supervise all the branches of the society, if any. That is the functions of the president. Then what is the functions of vice president? He shall assist the president in discharging president duties. In the absence of president, he shall perform the duty of the president as entrusted by him. That is the duty. Those are the functions of the vice president. And what are the functions of the secretary? He is the executive officer of the society, custodian of all the records relating to the society and correspondent on behalf of the society. He has to take on records of all minutes of the society to convey both the bodies of the society with the permission of the president. He guides the treasurer in preparing the budget and the expenditure statement of the society. These are all the functions of the secretary. What are the functions of joint secretary? He has to do the work entrusted by the executive committee. Joint secretary has to assist the secretary in discharging his duties. In the absence of the secretary, joint secretary can perform the duties of the secretary. These are all the functions of the joint secretary. Now, what are the functions of the treasurer? Treasurer is responsible for all financial transactions and funds of the society. Treasurer has to maintain accounts properly along with the vouchers. He has to prepare the accounts of the society jointly with the secretary or president. These are all functions of the treasurer. Then what are the functions of the office bearers? Office bearers are responsible person to attend to such activities of the society which the executive committee entrusts to them. So what is the quorum? Half of the total members of the general body meeting and 1/4 of executive committee meeting. Half of the total members of the general body meeting and 1/4 for executive committee meeting. So if it is executive committee meeting, the quorum is 1/4 for executive committee meeting. So quorum. Then we'll come to the funds. The funds shall be spent only for the attachment of the objects of the society, and no portion thereof shall be paid or transferred directly or indirectly to any of the members through any means. These funds are the charity purpose. For the objects of the society, members have no right to take amendments. No amendment or alteration shall be made in the purpose of the association unless it is voted by 2/3 of its members present at a special meeting convened for the purpose of confirmed by 2/3 of the members present at the second special meeting. So there are two meetings will be held, first meeting and second special meeting. So no amendment or alteration shall be made in the purpose of the association unless it is voted by 2/3 of its members present at special meeting, conveyed for the purpose and confirmed by 2/3 of the members present at a second special meeting. Hope you are clear. First meeting, they will present all the resolutions, they will pass, and second meeting, again, it will confirm by 2/3 of the members. Two general meetings will be held for the societies. Winding up clause. In case society has to wound up the property and funds of the society that remain after discharging the liabilities, if any, shall be transferred or paid to some other institution with the similar aims and objects. Members cannot take the balance amount. It has to be transferred or paid to some other institution with similar aims and objects. Then documents required for registration of the society. Again, details has to be given in this page. Name of the office bearers, age, designation of their local standing in the society, designation like president, vice president, general secretary, joint secretary, treasurer, their occupation, residential address and signature. And here two witnesses are mandatory. Witnesses also they have to give their name and son of and age, residential address, occupation, signature. Again, it will be signed by the signature of the president or secretary here. Affidavit has to be taken either by president or secretary. I am so and so, son of so and so, resident of so and so, do hereby solemnly affirm and confirm with good state of mind and do hereby declare on oath as follows. I am president or secretary of the association by name of the association. You have to write here the application of which is submitting for the registration with the Registrar of Societies, the area or district where you are, that you need to fill up here. The said society is located in my house bearing number so and so. This is registered office address has to be given. I have no objection to establish the said society in my own house if the member is giving, president or secretary is giving their premises, then he has to give this. No objection, establish the said society in my own house for which I did not collect any rent from the society. It was declared on oath with free will and consent without correction or any hesitation, with good state of mind on this day, particular day you need to mention of so and so date and so and so year, in the presence of following witness and signed before me, notary public, you attested by signature. Yes, sign and take two witness signature and to be notarized. These are all the documents required for registration. I explain in detail about bylaws, MOA, and online filing the form under documents are required. How to fill online form and explain box. Okay. Thank you. Hope you are very clear. Thank you.